day and stare at the wall?
That's where the clock is.
I got it.
Well, I find it hard to believe that you just watch the clock all day.
Have you seen my report card?
Jay, it's for you.
I'm busy.
It's a girl.
I don't care.
Her name is Wendy Cho.
What am I doing? Hey, how's it going?
Okay, that's something we haven't seen before.
Yeah, he only moves that fast when he's got the squirts.
Wendy Cho is the smartest girl at school. I wonder why she's calling Jay.
Maybe she must have bet.
Oh, that's not nice.
Well, kids are cruel.
Jake's obviously smitten with her. I just hope he's not setting himself up for disappointment.
Hey, you know what they say? Man's reach must exceed his point.
Morning.
Oh, stop.
Oh, stop. I miss Chelsea.
I miss Herb. I mean, Sex and the City. I miss Sex and the City.
Yeah, Alan, that's much less gay.
I guess that's just what our lives have come down to.
You guys like this content? Please like, subscribe. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So today I'm going to lift the vehicle up 2.5 all around, 2.5 front, 2.5 rear. Alright, let's get started. So this is how it looks like now, and this is how it looks like later on. Okay guys, so you're looking at the parts right here. Alright, so this is the front.
Car makers are rising to the challenge of shaking up the aviation industry with